Well, what are we doing today, Aaron?
I don't know. Another martini?
Well, we haven't been very successful with martinis out of that book.
I don't think we are going to be successful at any point in time
So
with martinis out of that book.
maybe we shouldn't do it.
But the kids love it.
Kids love it. Hell yeah. This is as close to a martini out of that book you're going to get. Anyway, here we are. Okay, let's see what we got. It's kind of a waste of time, isn't it? I don't know. Oh my God. Here's something called a pear sour. 2 ounces of brandy, 1 ounce lemon juice, half an ounce of simple syrup. There's no pear in it. How can you call it a pear sour? It's not even going to taste like pear. There's no way.
Sure, pear is spelled.
I quit.
Is pear spelled P-E-A-R or is it
No, it's P-E-A.
pear, like
no, it's
Pear Noel?
P-E-A-R.
Okay.
Pear sour. I could probably make a pear sour.
How about it is June. Something tropical maybe? Something for the summer?
Oh, all right. I don't know. Ooh, a Pineapple-tini. How about that one? It's got coconut and apple and pineapple and lemon and lime. All right, let's make that. Martini. This is the dumbest thing you've had me do yet, Aaron. Let's just make the damn drink. Okay. I don't know. I just would like to leave a legacy of something of importance. Matters of consequence.
So you're saying a Pineapple-tini is not a legacy, Bruce?
Not with this recipe. But who knows? I might be wrong. Maybe it'll taste good. Let's find out. It's calling for 2 ounces of Malibu. Okay, there it is. Let's throw in 2 ounces of Malibu. Well, right off the bat. Okay, anyway, sorry, don't get me started. Then it's calling for, hang on, 1 ounce of sour apple liqueur. Sour apple. Coconut and sour apple. All right, let's see what we got. There's an ounce. That's a pretty color. That's about all I can say about that. What else is in this sucker? 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Now, you know me, and I'm always stressing use fresh. Use fresh. Fresh is best. Not here. 2 ounces pineapple juice. I'm just using Dole because it was in my cupboard. Wow. All right. Next we have lemon juice. I guess I'll press. Maybe I should have just bought some pre-made lemon juice. Everything pre-made. Okay, here we go. Looking for a half an ounce of lemon juice. These are like really dry lemons. It's dry lemon season. It's because of all those fires. We got so many fires here where I live, all across Canada actually. The whole bloody world is on fire. Okay, half an ounce. And we're gonna follow that up with a ½ ounce of lime juice. I'm going to take this whole lime because these limes are like miniature limes. Get them while they're here, only for a limited time. Beauty. Okay, and that's it. Pineapple driven for sure. I think it would have been better with some, just some regular rum, to be honest with you. We're going to ice this up. And we're going to shake it. What's this called again? Pineapple-tini. I don't know how we're shaking.
Oh, you're waiting for an answer from me?
I'm waiting for a cue.
Shake it teeny?
Take
teeny
it.
tiny?
Shake the out of it. That's all. Get her nice and chilled. That's pretty good, actually. Thing about pineapple, you always get a little fluffy top there too. I got to get my glass in the out of the freezer here. All right, and what we're going to do is just fine strain this into our chilled martini glass. I'll tell you right now, not sure it's a martini, but there's our pineapple-tini. Now, they suggest that you garnish with a pineapple wedge. I don't have one right now, but I got this, horrible little red cherry here, kind you find in all the bars today. The best thing I can say so far is I like the contrast. It's nice. It's red and it's like kind of weird little green color here. Anyway, let's see what this thing tastes like. It's not disgusting. I can see why you'd need 2 ounces of Malibu. Because Malibu is like, it's coming through, but not like, I think if you were to use something like Bacardi coconut, you'd probably only need 1 ounce. Because this stuff is a lot stronger than Malibu as far as taste is concerned. I don't know what the alcohol percentage is. 35%. Yeah. 21%. Maybe that's one reason. But yeah, there is a lot more coconut notes in the Bacardi than there is in the Malibu. Okay, let's try this again. I don't mind it. If anything, I think I would probably serve it tall as opposed to a martini glass. I'd probably maybe even throw some ice in a tall, like Collins glass or something like that. I don't mind it, but is it a martini? Maybe, because it has teeny in the drink's name. Pineapple-tini! No, hell no. Hell no. It's not a martini, guys. But it is a nice little cocktail. Not bad, not great. But actually, the more I drink now, it's getting kind of cloying sweet. Yeah. The first couple sips were nice. Now I don't like it. Shut up. Okay, whoa, okay. See you next time. If I were to improve on this, I probably wouldn't use Malibu for starters. I would probably use less coconut, and I would use like a white rum maybe, just a a simple white rum. I'd use fresh pineapple for sure, and I might even alter the proportions a bit. Pineapple seems to be, I don't know what's making it cloying. Probably the Malibu and the sour apple. I don't even detect the sour apple. But anyway, another option too might be to put a nice frothy egg white top on it for a nicer mouthfeel. Anyway, I'll think about it. You think about it too, and I'll see you next time.